Here we have our digital shoebox clocks. As we move along, you may see that each clock differs in the minute intervals it demonstrates to students. If you choose to use this resource in your classroom, it is advised that you use a resource that reflects your students' capabilities. For example, if they are learning 5-minute interval displays on a digital clock, they may choose to make this resource. Otherwise, an alternative is for you to make one to use. As we open up, we see that there are 2 turning mechanisms. One is the hour hand, and the second with 5-minute intervals represented here. Students may change the time on their clock by pulling on the mechanism. Note how the hour changes. We are able to do the same with the minute hand. We see that at every 15-minute interval, it is reflected in grey. This is to reiterate students' knowledge of 1/2 past, 1/4 past and 1/4 to the hour. This is a good resource as it shows students how time is a continuum. It is constantly turning rather than being either 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. They see that time occurs within those 2 hours. As we move over to the minute hand resource, they recognise even further how time never stops. For example, we have 2:43 represented on the clock here. As they pull, they see that time occurs minutes and that eventually 59 minutes changes to the next hour. Note here that we have changed the minutes and the hour time has not changed. Thus, it is an important teaching point that you inform them, even though they might turn their minute hand back to 0. If this is represented on a true digital clock, the hour hand would also then change to the 3. They are then able to demonstrate these times also on their analog clock. This resource was provided earlier on in the website.